Hej! Låt oss prata svenska!
Welcome to this learning session on Vocastic. Let's get started. When you greet someone in Swedish, you say
Hej,
which means hello. To ask how someone is, say
hur mår du?
it means how are you? When you want to say how you are, you can answer
Jag mår bra.
which means I am fine. To ask someone's name, say
Vad heter du?
which means what is your name? When you tell your name, say
Jag heter Anna.
or your own name. Finally, when you meet someone, you can say
Trevligt att träffas.
which means nice to meet you. Let's start by learning some important phrases. Hej means hello. Hur mår du means how are you. Jag mår bra means I am fine. Vad heter du means what is your name. Jag heter Anna means my name is Anna. Trevligt att träffas means nice to meet you. Now, let's see an example conversation.
Hej, hur mår du?
Hej. Jag mår bra, tack. Hur mår du?
Jag mår också bra, tack.
Vad heter du?
Jag heter Anna. Vad heter du?
Jag heter Max.
Trevligt att träffas, Max.
Trevligt att träffas, Anna.
Great job today. Keep practicing your greetings and introductions in Swedish. Soon you will feel confident with all of these phrases. Well done. And remember, with the Vocastic app, you can do more lessons anytime, review vocabulary, and learn at your own pace.